Welcome to your guide on how to view your block list on Gmail using your PC, with some recent updates. If you've ever wondered where the emails from blocked contacts go, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find yourself greeted by your inbox. Now, look to the left side menu of your Gmail interface. Here, you will see several options, including primary, social, promotions, and more. To find the emails from blocked contacts, click on the spam option. This is where Gmail sends emails from users that you've blocked. In the spam section, you may notice the emails from those blocked senders. This is a handy way to keep track of any unwanted messages. Even though you've blocked someone, their emails aren't just lost forever. They are routed here for you to review if needed. Remember, it's a good practice to regularly check your spam folder. Sometimes legitimate emails end up here by mistake. If you find an email that you didn't expect to see in spam, you can choose to unblock the sender if you wish. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your block list on Gmail using your PC. This simple routine helps you manage your email more effectively, keeping your inbox clean and organized. Whether you're dealing with spam or just keeping your digital space tidy, these steps will make your Gmail experience that much smoother. Happy emailing!